The man who helped wrongfully convict Michael Morton 25 years ago may soon have to face his own day in court.
A judge ruled there is enough evidence to hold a court of inquiry into the actions of current Williamson County Judge Ken Anderson, who was the prosecutor in Michael Morton's trial in 1987. Chris Sadeghi was in the courtroom for today's ruling and joins us live with more on what this all means for Anderson.
Well, first, the Texas Supreme Court has to agree that the court of inquiry is appropriate. And even then, Ken Anderson would still be innocent until proven guilty, but that innocence would be tried. Since being freed from prison, Michael Morton's worn a smile each time we've seen him back in court. On Friday, sporting a new goatee, he had yet another reason to smile.
I'll be very brief. But when you do the right thing, as the judge did today, everything else falls in place. It's just a matter of time.
And Judge Sid Harrell's ruling was a key piece that fell into place for the Innocence Project, who says current Williamson County Judge Ken Anderson did not supply crucial evidence to the court back in 1987, and it led to 25 lost years for Morton. They say proving it in a court of inquiry would send a message.
We really do believe in due process. We really do believe that people shouldn't hide evidence that doesn't support their cause when it's their obligation to reveal it. That's what we believe.
Anderson was not at the hearing, but his attorneys were. And moments after unsuccessfully arguing that the judge was ruling outside his jurisdiction and that a court of inquiry would be uncalled for, they then embraced it as a chance to put all allegations to rest.
I heard the judge say that this was going to be as much an effort to allow Judge Anderson to clear his name as anything.
Evidence Eric Nichols says the Innocence Project does not have, but now they're one step closer to finding out. And again, the court of inquiry not guaranteed. The Texas Supreme Court will have the final say if and when it happens, and also what judge would preside over it. We're live in Williamson County. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
And coming up tonight on KXAN News at 9 and 10, new answers about what Michael Morton has been doing since he got out of prison. Late this afternoon, Morton's attorney, John Raley, sat down with a one-on-one interview with our KXAN reporter and anchor, Shannon Wolfson. Hear what he had to say about the long fight to get Morton out of prison and all of the latest developments in this case that's coming up tonight at 9 and 10.